Floodin, the simple-to-use video photo sales app. Follow these steps and start upselling videos and photos to your guests. Step 1. Create an account. Visit floodin.com. Select Try Free and download the app from the Play Store. Enter your details and create an account. Step 2. Create an album. Give the album a name and upload the videos and photos you captured of your guests. Step 3. Add guest details. Select Add Guest and enter your guest's name and email. Step 4. Make a sale. If your guest has paid you on site, then open the album, select their name and tick the Pay button. They receive a link to download and share their video and photos. If they have not paid you on site, they are sent a link to a preview of their video and photos, and can opt into making payment online, making sure you never lose a sale. Start upselling videos and photos using Floodin today, and give your business a boost.